Hola, mi amigas, ¿cómo estas? And welcome to our channel, the Costa Blanca Travellers. I wonder if you can guess where we are today. Well, it's a lovely blue sky day. We are in the urbanisation of Lo Crispin Urb, and the temperature's around 25 degrees today. It's Tuesday, the 21st of May, 2024, and very windy today. But we are having a lovely walk around this lovely, beautiful urbanisation, and it's beautiful and quiet here. If you like a nice quiet herb, that's the place to be. Just turn the camera around there, and you can see I'm walking towards down this entrance to Lo Crispin urbanisation. This is where you come in from to the urbanisation. It's through these beautiful arches, and this reminds me of Quesada. The arch is very similar, not quite the same design, but similar, and very nice architectural feature to the urbanisation. Now, Lo Crispin Urb comes under Algorfa, so if you are looking for something here, then it comes under that area. Now, on the other side of the road here, look, it's complete farmland, and I think they're going to be building something there, because there looks to be lots of building work going on further down there, lots of machinery. So I'm not sure what they're going to be putting on this land opposite, whether it could be staying as farmland or whether they're going to be building on it. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. But that's the view that they've got opposite for the time being, and quite a nice view that they have on the other side of the road. So as I said, it comes under Algorfa. You'd have to see the doctors in Algorfa town if you're here permanent. And the nearest hospital is the Vega Baja Hospital. That's the hospital you would go to for any treatment. Now, it's a quiet, friendly urbanisation. You can walk along the cycle path to Quesada in about 15 to 20 minutes from here. Though you really need a car for supermarkets and beaches, etc. There's a good mix of nationalities here on Lo Crispin, so you're not going to have any problem making lots of friends. There isn't any bus service, so as I said before, you probably need a car. You can reach the beaches of Guardamar and Torrevieja in about 20 minutes, so that's a good thing. Not too far away, so you've got that on your doorstep and everything that Torrevieja has to offer in Guardamar. This urbanisation was completed in 2008, would you believe? And it's got families and retired residents living here. So there's a school bus, so if you are coming here permanently with children, there's a school bus that picks up the children from the roundabout each morning, and it buses them to Algorfa village where the schools are. It's an attractive development, I have to say, of 2 and 3 bed villas here you'll find, so lots for you to choose from. Rahales and Benihoffer are lovely beautiful towns also just down the road nearby. They do have a local market here every Sunday. Okay, every Sunday there's a local market, and yeah, all in all, I'm very impressed so far just walking down this lovely urbanisation. Everything's very clean here as well, I have to say. Haven't found anything untoward, litter or anything like that, or dog mess or anything on the pavements, so it's really beautifully kept. I'm sure the local council come out as they do in Spain here most of the time, and with the road sweepers to keep all the areas nice and clean. So we're just coming up then to the first part of the commercial centre, I guess you'd call it, in Lo Crispin. This is a first little cafe restaurant here that we're coming up to. I'm not going to go up there because there are people eating their meals. I don't want to disturb them, but they do breakfast here. Live sports and karaoke, as you can see. It's La Hacienda is the bar. They do cocktails, quiz nights, and food. So all in all, looks to be very good. Here's a board here outside here. Look, what's it say here? Monday, do card bingo at 3 o'clock. Wednesday, music bingo also at 3 o'clock. There you go. So if you're a bingo fan, maybe this is the place to come along and see. Now they also have hairdressers here, so no problem, ladies or gentlemen, getting your hair done. I presume it's a unisex one. And looks like there used to be a little mini market there, but not sure if it could be probably closed down at the moment. Supermarkets, as I say, find it very hard to make it work here. There's an estate agent here as well, so if you're interested in any properties, there's an estate agent here that you can ask about any properties that are up for sale within the local area or the vicinity of Lo Crispin. I must say I like these avenues of trees again, and lots of parking here outside, so no problem if you're further down in the urbanisation just to come up here and park outside. I've even got an ATM, look, but do be careful with some of these ATMs. They do have quite extortionate charges, so you have to be very, very careful. Right, we have another restaurant here, Koike or Koyaki. Lots of nice umbrellas outside. Koyaki restaurant there as well. So another nice one to choose from here. So you're really spoilt for cafes and restaurants here. As I said, this is a Tuesday afternoon and it is around siesta time, so 2 o'clock time. So things are going to be closed. Now this is a very popular supermarket here. This is Lynn's. There's beautiful products, English products here. Lots of home baking, cakes, pies, pizzas, plus all your supermarket stuff, all your shakes. Really good. So do try them out if you're here in Lo Crispin, and even if you're not in Lo Crispin, pay them a visit. They are really worth it according to the expats and the reviews. The pies and the food there are really good, so definitely pay Lynn's a visit. So we're coming out now and we're just going to have a walk around this way, see what there is round about here. And I like these roundabouts. So this is a nice area. We've got lots of seating here for you to sit out in the shade. And look at this, not anyone about hardly at the moment. So you can just sit here and pass the time away. There's the roundabout. That's probably the roundabout where the school bus stops to pick the children up. But as you can see, not a lot of traffic in and out of this incredible urbanisation. So let's walk around. Nice shaded area there. That's a nice little touch where it's quite a hot day. You can just sit in there in the shade. So they really have thought of everything here. Looking around now, this is a nice area here. Got bike racks. Look, if you're coming cycling, if you want to stop and put cycle racks, and this is an exercise area for children and adults to go on. Very similar to the one I saw the other day when I was walking around the Finca golf area. Except I think they've got more here, so more exercise stuff here. If you fancy an early morning exercise, or even after you've had your breakfast, then come over here and test all these out. And look to be really good. Got some bars there, some pull bars to flex those muscles. So there you go, can't be bad. Nice little planted areas as well. And I must say I like this path that they put all the way through. Bins there as well, so everything is well thought out and laid out. You can see some nice villas over there through the trees. Look to be built, and some newer ones there on the left hand side as well. Those white ones there look to be quite recent built, and they've got nice verandas. Look at that. They can just look out over all this nice area here, and beautiful blue sky day today, so you can see for quite a way. So very impressed with these. Not sure how many bedrooms they've got, but they've got some different coloured ones here as well on the other side of the road. They have some brown ones as well further down. And as I said, lots going on. Now I looked at properties here and I found on Think Spain, I did find Think Spain, a 3-bed bungalow from around €149,000. So that's what they start at here. Now look, you've got a little kids area here, slides, swings, so you can sit on these benches, watch your kiddies play on this area. Very safe area as well. All thought out about safety conscious for the children, so they don't, if they fall over, they don't hurt themselves. And a range of trees here as well. Just walking down here, and and just having a very pleasant walk today. I am very impressed with Lo Crispin. It's an area that I've been wanting to come to for quite some time to check out, and I'm so pleased that I did, because I just love the open spaces here. Everywhere you go around this little urbanisation, there is something to surprise you. Very, very exciting to be here in Lo Crispin today. Yeah, super areas here. Look, what's this? I'm not sure what this is, what this area is. Could be something, not sure what that is, but yeah, these are some brown ones over on this side of the road. Look, different colour villas. So, but larger. Oh, this is a skateboard. This is the skating area. Look, skating area for you to have skates for the kids to do their skating and BMXing as well. So that's good. So they've really thought of everything here for teenagers as well as the young ones. So to practice their skills. And there's some more blue villas with their roof terraces. So definitely come and check this urbanisation out, because I think you'll be really surprised at this area. So come to the end. Walked right the way through Lo Crispin, and as you can see, this is the view I've got standing at the far end of Lo Crispin, and there far end you've got another tavern, the Lo Crispin Tavern, very popular with expats. Do lots of things on there, lots of quiz nights, no doubt, lots of other things. Looks to be quite a large establishment, and yeah, you've got some more villas going along on the other side of the road. So I'm going to just walk along and see what's about. I can imagine this would be quite nice here in an evening. I do apologise for the wind noise once again. Okay, but I'm just going to see what is on here tonight. There we go. So there we go. Rebecca Holt, 17th of May. Football. Verano. Loads of Elvis Presley on Friday, 7th of June. Obviously got Sunday roast. 9.50. Saturday beef, pork or chicken with broccoli, carrots, peas, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, parsnips, roast mashed potatoes, Yorkshire pudding gravy, starting as dessert. 9.50. A bargain, if I have to say so myself. So no wonder this place is popular. And yeah, David Jordan's here. Look, we saw him at the Algorfa Hotel Saturday the 15th of June. Yeah, the steak nights here. Look, €12 for steak, rump steak, chips, salad with pepper sauce, gammon steak, chips, salad, egg, pineapple. Includes a large glass of wine or any draft beer. So yeah, looks good. What else have we got on here? Neil Diamond, Friday the 24th of May. That's coming up. Steak, pie, chips, peas. You can get there that night. Community lunch every Tuesday from 1:30. That's only €4. From 1:30, followed by bingo. Wow, you cannot grumble at that price, guys. And then we've got Saturday the 1st of June in the beer garden, Mr. Jim McMail as Tom Jones. And again, they're doing specials on that night. Gammon steak, chips, peas, Hunter's chips, Angus burger and ice cream, all for €15. So very, very good. So we're impressed with this place. We'll definitely, Rose and I will definitely come back here when Rose is back on her feet. She has twisted her spine apparently at the moment, so we're just going to get some work done on that, and hopefully she'll be back on her feet. So again, got some lovely townhouse villas on the opposite side of the road. They've got roofed houses and not many for sale. Hardly surprising. It looks a beautiful area, and of course parking, on-street parking. You even got some of them got off-street parking as well. So a lovely area. There we go, guys. Another place for sale here. Looks like a nice townhouse in Lo Crispin. So, and that's your view down there. Okay, got a lovely view all down this avenue of trees, and that is the one for sale. There you go. See if I can zoom in on the for sale sign for you. There we go. Okay, there we go. Black and reads for sale. There's the number if you want it. Okay, so let's leave it on the screen there. 0034 603 039147 if you're interested in that particular property on Lo Crispin as I was walking around today. So guys, there we go. That was the herb Lo Crispin, which is near 5 minutes from Quesada, about a couple of kilometres down the road, or a kilometre and a half, and you're in Quesada with everything that it's got to offer. And in the other direction you've got Algorfa, Algorfa, which again is just down the road as well, 3 or 4 kilometres away. And yeah, beautiful urbanisation. I think you would agree with me. Very impressed just walking around, and it reminded me very much of El Razo, the El Razo area when I walked around that herb. That was another very nice herb. That was more closer to Guardamar, but this particular one, Lo Crispin, has got some beautiful townhouses, some beautiful villas, some beautiful bungalows. So it's well worth a walk around, and it's got some nice eateries as well, as you saw. So definitely come and have a look, come and have a wander around. Just park up, you can easily walk around it, and it's a very nice walk on a day like today. So with that, without further ado, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all our subscribers. Don't forget to keep watching, because you don't know where else we might end up or where we might go to next. If you've got any places that you'd like us to visit, if you're house hunting, then do let us know, and we'll see if we can go out our way to visit them and bring you some information about them. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and just keep sharing us to your friends and family, and I'm sure we'll be able to bring you lots more exciting videos, lots more content coming up. If you're coming out on holiday, do check out this area. As I said, Lo Crispin. If you're looking for properties or holiday homes or something more permanent, come and check it out and see what you think to it. So adios mi amigos, until next time, we'll catch you again soon. Take care now.